This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's the 22nd Monday, and wow, is it cold. It is really cold. We got a lot of hungry little birdies here. It snowed yesterday in the afternoon. I was thinking about putting out a second feeding, but that was not, the weather was too bad, and I had a guest over, and we just really ran out of time, and it was just so nasty. I think all the birds basically took cover, and there we go. Little pigeons here today. Watch these cars coming through here like maniacs as usual. Just really, really nasty. People are nasty. Really nasty. You know, the weather makes them even nastier. Okay? That sounds like Seymour. Little Seymour's here. Throw this down first. Getting kind of muddy out here. Like that. I'll just go around the perimeter here. This out first. Little cat food had actually opened up some additional cans of cat food the kitties don't like, but I have to feed it. Get rid of it anyway. I owe it to the birdies. Let's go down here. A little bit cleaner on the edge. More over here. There we go. Now I'll throw some nuts out. There's Seymour. Looks like we have 7. All 7 are there. Seymour's going to get his eggs. Good Seymour. Good boy. We have some nuts. Put some extra out here. Extra bag. Put it over there where it's a little bit cleaner on the edge of the ground. This is awful muddy and too many birds are eating in one area. I don't like that. I have to spread it out to a clean area. It is really cold. It's 37 by wind chill factor. There we go. I could get over there and get my little bowl guy. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. As soon as I get out of the way, our little birdies will come down. The same number of crows, about 30, 35 crows. All together here. Try to give them a really good sized portion today. Really good sized portion. They also got noodles cooked up in chicken broth. Looks like Lucas here. Let me look through the thing here. Lucas there eating. There he is. There's Dinkle in there. There's regular wheat. Of course, wonderful grain mixture. Grain balls, noodles, nuts, walnuts, There's a lot of food there, but you see they polished everything off. I gave super big portion yesterday, and I'm so glad I did in the morning. I'll be posting those videos. We had an incident here yesterday. We had a known poisoner on his bicycle who came from the back of the Mormon church. I'm sure he was checking on the poison that he threw down probably the night before. And yeah, I knew he wasn't that he wasn't a Latter-day Saint because he threw a cigarette butt on the grass of the church. And but they don't care as long as they get that person to do their job, their dirty work. So we'll be writing some emails about this to the temple and Bern, and probably Salt Lake City too. We'll send a copy of just what this particular church is doing. So yeah, they just can't stop. They poisoned in the past, and now they hired someone to do it. Anyway, this is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Have a wonderful Monday, start to a good week. Hope you had a great weekend. And I want you to love your birds, take care, and fight the good fight. That's what I do every day here in Village of the Damned. I fight the good fight on behalf of all animals. Cats, dogs, birds, wildlife. All are sentient creatures. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader, over and out. At least we're getting some birds today. Oh, we got 2 mallard ducks here today. So, but he's very, very hungry. So, it's supposed to be cold just about the entire week. So, I'll be throwing out basically a double portion. If I don't come in the evening, that lowers the risk of things happening to the birds and also to myself. And I've got a lot of work to do. So I just, instead of, giving a smaller portion twice a day, I give them one huge portion once a day. And it seems to work. It seems to work better. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Have a good one.